How to create YouTube channel. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to create your own YouTube channel. Firstly, ensure you have YouTube app installed on your device and an existing Google account. Open the YouTube app and click on the profile icon located below. On this space beneath your name, you will find Create a Channel. Click on it to enter the channel creation page. On the ensuring page, you can customize your channel by selecting a profile picture, naming your channel and choosing a unique handle. Take your time to make it represent your content or brand effectively. Once you are satisfied with the customization, in the same page you will find Create Channel option. Click on it to finalize the creation. For a quick view of your newly created channel, click on the profile icon below. You will notice the option has changed from Create Channel to View Channel. Click on it and there you have it, your very own YouTube channel ready for content creation. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.